He is nominated for Best African Music Performance at this year's Grammy Awards, performing Lonely at the Top from his album Work of Art, Asake.
Baby.
Yo por paquete yo por loco, monta por ese me llama, de mi ato sajo con camisado, yo por yo, es para loco tu papo, si tú nada con tu club y tu tono, everybody at the club, I want you gone in for sushi, I know collect anyone control, anything I want to, I want you gone in for sushi, I know collect anyone control, anything I want to.
guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me music chose me, just know this and know this. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
Love me, I see no way to believe her. I do make the world I'm a sinner. We are nobody who Jehovah. And I'm the Lord that they go far. Who's the gold that they buy? That's all they need to shita. And then I really put it too far. Midnight was now shika.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time I look together. Come here, 'cause it's time. Hold you for me. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you're there by my side. Hold you for my hand. So tight, coming closer.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Not here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day. I know the look of your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Bad killer, love is somebody that don't take my energy from your cardula. In my past, don't say I be my healer. Everything I desire, I go receive my rhythm. Flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para. Come on, my jigger. I go just stay. Follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm fucking dynamite. I blow your condo lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe.
You see my bitch, say she act bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know, I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it, my mind, and my body, my body. Say it, my mind, and my heart, my body. Say it, I don't know what it is, I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you